all day long. Oh, and I love, check the spider out. Oh, so beautiful.
She wants a spider in her life.
Hi guys, I'm Carsa, and today I'm showing you luxury cars. I'm so happy to show you guys these cars today. They're so beautiful and amazing. And luxury is just a lifestyle, and I'm all about lifestyle, beautiful luxury homes, luxury cars, luxury handbags, just life, because life is luxury. So Ramela is narrating for me today, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. And if you do, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And guess what? I'll see you later. Bye guys.
That is a sexy rear end. Comment below, do you think this is sexy, or do you think this is sexy? Or if you like your ladies thick, or what do you think of the Rolls Royce? So let me go around the Rolls Royce and show you the front. This is it. Now, of course, if you're watching my channel, this is Carsa's favorite. She is in love with the G-Wagon. This is the triple black right here. And to those of you, my gosh, I've never seen the Humvee in person. I'm about to look at it. This actually made my day. This is the H1 DUPLEX Alpha. This is tastefully done. I do have an original Humvee from the Army with the slow diesel engine, but this is the real stuff. Let's go look at the Humvee EV. This thing is massive. Let me pan around. This is where I'm standing, and this is how much space this occupies. Actually, one of the I would buy this, definitely. I think, to me, this is one of the best SUV. It's locked out there. $410,000, that's money well spent. As you can tell, you have massive tires. So this is actually reaching my hip right here. Nice interior. I like the fact that the glass come out, the whole roof come off. Let's look at the bed. Man, this is really massive. I mean, I've watched a lot of video about this. People say how big it is. This is why Carsa. This is the new electrical Humvee. I will spend $110,000 on this all day. Oh man, I don't even know what to do with myself. Forget about all these trucks. Well, no, I'll take the Toyota. This is really tastefully done with the Baja top. I mean, a place like Miami is definitely a place you'll really enjoy a truck like this. You have the Dometic cooler. Wow. And I like the extended shifter. And next to it is the new Bronco. There is a Raptor in the entrance. I'll show this to you guys later. And for those of you that are into trailers, this is for you. And if you want to tap it into your Mad Max, I also have something for you as well. I like the fact that they left all the rusted window frame. Rolls Royce, it's okay. and the Tundra. How can I not show you guys the Tundra? This truck has a nice stance. Massive tires, they stick out a little bit, which is successfully done. Let's see. Of course, you got the Bugatti here. Wow, the black and white is really nice. What else I can show you guys? All the Lambos. Well, the guy said there was no Porsche in here. There is actually a Taycan here. Maybach, obviously. But look at the Lambos. I'm not a Lambo fan. But given certain circumstances, I could see myself driving one. This car is very low, very wide. I like the orange and my beloved Porsche. Here they come. Wow, these girls have some serious hips on them. That's definitely the way you blow $200,000 on a GT2 RS or even more. Don't quote me if the price is not right. This is the rear of the GT3, which I think has a better rear than the Corvette, the Lamborghini, or even La Ferrari. I think the Porsche has a great rear end. Uncle Luke would be so proud of the Porsche's rear end. Now, if I go on the other side, 911 Turbo S, convertible. I like the Targa version of this. That's what I want. I want the Targa 911 4S. Well, this is a cabriolet. The colors are really electrifying. I mean, you would have to literally be here to experience the colors of the Porsches. And then the way they are complemented with the interior. Another GT3 with the famous rear end. And let me show you guys the Taycan. Man, I'm still thinking about the Humvee EV. Carsa, don't you like the Humvee EV? It's too big. Says no woman ever. This is where it's at. I like those air-cooled Porsches. They've shot up in value so much. I had so many opportunities to buy these. I didn't, and now I regret. And of course, you got the Taycan with the black and white rims. I like the Gran Turismo. It's the one I want. But nonetheless, the range is not really astronomical. It's like a 200-mile range. This is for the car for the person that just want to do a lot of city driving. If you're actually going somewhere far with this car, you'll get annoyed. We just did a trip with a 300+ mile Tesla, and I was annoyed. I mean, I get it, but I was still annoyed. So of course the McLaren, you know, these cars are very hard to come by unless you're Gil Desert or Sunny Isle and you're loaded. You have no problem getting those cars. So let me show you guys my old ladies. Now you guys know I like vintage cars, and my old ladies are just standing there. They're looking awesome. So I'm just gonna walk around and show them to you. Here's another Toyota right here. Your Dodge, for those of you that like the Mopar cars. This is your Scout. They've gone up in value. And then there's a Jaguar MK2. I have one of them, but it needs restoration. I'm trying to find someone that can really do the job. Mine needs some work. I don't know if I'll keep it or not. Let me zoom it in. Mine is a 1966 MK2. I think it's 2.4. This one is a 3.8. So comment below if you know anybody in South Florida that could do a great job. Of course, the split window. Those of you that like those Mercedes, this is another wish of mine. This is a 1966 Chevrolet convertible. Really nice car. These are some great examples of those type of cars. I mean, as you can tell, the owners have spent countless of hours refurbishing them and make them road worthy. I got this one. Mine is in gray. I need to drive it. This one, the paint job is really phenomenal on this one. This looks like it just came from the showroom. Anyway, back to the old ladies. So you have, I think I showed you this already. Is that Eleanor? Yes. This is a copy of Eleanor. I like what the license plate says. Stole it. That's funny. If you watch the movie, you'll understand. That's the last car Nicolas Cage stole and nearly killed him. Okay, and then so I'm almost done with the old ladies. Sorry, this is a 1957 Ford Thunderbird. This is a Tempest Le Mans. The MGA MK2 Roadster. Now I like the steelies. Look at this. I really like the rims on this car, on this one. Definitely, this is like a nice example of a 1970 Chevrolet C10. Another Corvette. This is one of my favorite Jaguar. I don't necessarily like it in convertible, but nonetheless, this one is a nice example. And for those of you that are into VWs, this one is for you. Let's see if I could count the windows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't know. There's more than a dozen windows in here. I can't count all of them. But this is a nice example of actually 13 window deluxe. This is an example of the 1964 13 window. Your Beetle, your Ford Mustang, Carsa Cardeen from 1992.
Where you call me name from?
That's your age. She was born in 1992. I like him young. Again, let me give you the front of the Jaguar.
She's old.
She is. Ours is 1966, but I think I'm gonna sell it. Yeah, mine is not well groomed. Mine has had some serious hard time in life. Yeah, she's had some hard time, so I'm trying to see maybe I could find a nice home for her. And this is your Toyota FJ40. So you have the rope in case your woman misbehave, you tie it around her waist and you drag her. By the time you get to your destination, she'll be sweet like coconut water. I'm kidding, people. This is Tundra. So I'm gonna take you guys to the other side so you get a view of like the normal stuff. Oh, I know some of you are waiting for the Sequoia. Here's a good example of it. This thing is massive. So they've refreshed it and that's what it looks like now. So let's go to the other side. I think I saw Rivian. Oh, I gotta show you guys another car. This is the Ford Bronco Raptor and a nice orange example. I really like this car. It retails for $80,000. Again, because of its rarity right now, they're going for north of $100,000. But the fender flares are huge. The motor in this is phenomenal. If you're gonna get a Ford Bronco, that's the one you get. If you don't mind paying over MSRP, go right ahead. If not, wait your turn. This is really no show would be complete without showing you the new Z06. Look at the wings of this. I would buy this just because of the wing. Really, really nice. I see orange is a theme this year for a lot of car manufacturers. Porsche's been doing that color for the longest. Look at the stance of this car. Wow. This is really, really, really a mean looking car. This is a new Raptor. The Ford 150. Same color. This thing is white too. The Humvee feels bigger than this one, by the way. I'm not into pickup truck, but I'll probably consider buying a Ford Raptor or the Humvee. You know what? Humvee all the way. Yes, finally I remember. So this is the Morgan. Oh my gosh, this is such an amazing example of it. If you're ever gonna spend money on a three-wheeler, this is a car you spend money on. Do you imagine you wearing leather gloves, looking like an Englishman, and driving this around town? Okay, and then obviously. So this is a Rivian. They were allowing you to test drive it. I didn't get a chance to do that, but this is definitely a good example of it too. So, but definitely Humvee EV. That's what I want. Ford Lightning. A lot of people like it for the functionality of it. It could charge your house. You have the frunk, which is really spacious. Range is okay. But definitely, comparing to the Rivian, this, I don't know. I would go with the Rivian. So we're leaving. This is okay. We've gone to the New York show. This was different. I mean, there are some cars in here that actually really excited me, especially this right here, and the Hummer EV. The Hummer EV is really massive. I'm not even kidding. It's really huge. I want it.
You shall have it.
Will I pay $200,000 for it? No.
Yes.
Not when it retails for $110. I'll wait. In the meantime, I'll experience my old ladies. Okay? Until Hummer becomes very accessible. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching. As always,
see you later.
Like and subscribe. Subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to her channel. You see, she's always going away, leaving me away. You know what? That's it. I'm firing you. It's time for my old ladies. Oh, babies. Oh, come here. Daddy's coming.